Chris Blizzard, making his debut aboard the Seven Seas Mariner. Chris Blizzard. Come on, come on. Yes.
Thank you very much. It's very kind of you. It's a warm welcome for the Mariner as we rock and roll in the Tasmanian Sea. I promised you a country song, didn't I? Yes, I did. Folks, this is a very special song I'd like to end with tonight. I told you earlier in the show about a car accident that I had, a head-on collision with a Mack truck, and I walked away from it. And to be honest, my life really started the day after that accident. So I'd like to share this song with you tonight as we leave. It's a country song that talks about life, living your life to the fullest. Take a listen to the words, take them to heart, and take them home with you. He said I was in my early 40s, a lot of life before me, when a moment came that stopped me on a dime. I spent most of the next days looking at the x-rays and talking about the options, talking about sweet time. I asked him when it sank in, this might really be the real end. How do you take it when you get that kind of news? Man, what'd you do? He said, I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, 2.7 seconds on a bull named Fu Manchu. And I loved deeper and I spoke sweeter and I can't forget this, I've been denying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you were dying. Oh, he said I was finally the husband that most of the time I wasn't, and I became a friend would love to have. All of a sudden, going fishing wasn't such an imposition, and I went 3 times the year I lost my dad. I finally read the good book and I took a good long hard look at what I'd do if I could do it all again. And then I went skydiving, I went Rocky Mountain climbing, I went 2.7 seconds on a bull named Fu Manchu. And I loved deeper and I spoke sweeter and I gave forgiveness I've been denying. And he said, someday I hope you get the chance to live like you were dying. Like tomorrow was a gift and you had eternity to figure out what to do with it. What would you do with it? What could you do with it? I know what I'd do with it. I go skydiving, I go Rocky Mountain climbing, 2.7 seconds on a bull named Fu Manchu. And I love deeper and I speak sweeter and I watch an eagle as he goes flying. And I truly hope someday you get the chance to live like you were dying. 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 Enjoy the rest of your cruise. Have a safe journey home. My name is Chris Blizzard. God bless you. Thanks for being here tonight. God bless each and every one of you. Good night.